Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. If you have banana at home, plantain, try this. Two recipes. One with a coconut, other one is Gulab Jamun. What? Gulab Jamun? Yes, it's Gulab Jamun made with plantain. Please try this recipe and let me know. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's see the video. If you're interested, try this. Share the knowledge to everyone. So please. Place a pan like this on medium heat. Add clarified butter. Add plantain. The plantain, the banana, is almost getting mashed. No need to really mash, just on this consistency. Add brown sugar, combine well. Add cardamom powder, add semolina and combine well. Add milk, mix well. On this consistency, not too loose, not too thick, that's how it should be. Turn off the heat, transfer to a bowl. Make small balls. The half we will bowl like this, and to making balls, coat in desiccated coconut. Place a pan like this to fry. Add clarified butter, hot. Add the desiccated coconut banana balls. Using a spoon, turn it around and cook. You can do like this, it's a little bit easier than getting colored everywhere. The banana balls coated with desiccated coconut. It's getting ready. It's almost ready now. If you see, the coconuts are already golden in color. turn off the heat. Take a pot like this, sugar, water, cardamom, stir and dissolve the sugar. Turn on the heat, medium heat, bring to boil. Simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. Add rose water. Transfer the syrup to a bowl. Place a pot like this to fry the gulab jamun. Add oil to fry. Turn on to a medium heat. Oil is hot now. Fry the banana balls. The gulab jamun using a spoon. Let's fry everyone. It's exactly same like gulab jamun. On a golden color, we can remove. Transfer to the syrup. Add some pistachio on the top. It is very soft. The banana balls are ready now. Let's try it. The smell is great. From the coconut, from the clarified butter, it's really tempting. Yes, very good flavors. Very light, refreshing flavors. The banana and the clarified butter. And a hint of coconut, right? Roasted coconut. It makes it a lot of difference in the flavoring. I'm pretty sure when your kids are at home, try this one. They will be admiring you from where this recipe comes from. So when you're eating, enjoy and eat. Wait, I'm coming with the next tasting. The gulab jamun is ready now. Let's try it. Get some syrup too, because that's all flavors, right? Let's try it. Wow. So, it is gulab jamun. Yeah, it's made of banana. That's true. A flavor of banana is there, but when we add the syrup and everything, it is exactly same as gulab jamun. So when you eat, how you eat? Josh Moses Kitchen way. It's my way. Enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. See you with a new recipe. അല്ലാണ്ട് വെറുതെ ഫ്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ